Hi, I'm Linda Wesley, and I am head of sales at Renew Health and Wellness. Not only do we improve your hormone levels at Renew Health and Wellness, we also tackle a whole array of symptoms that you experience throughout your life. We also have sexual wellness treatments. So we help improve libido, we correct erectile dysfunction, we have a weight loss program, and then we also do, I call them the fun services of laser hair removal, Botox fillers, but we do all of this to make your whole quality of life better.
Hello, I'm Don Cameron. I'm one of the original founders of Renew Health and Wellness. The thing that I'm most proud of at Renew Health and Wellness is the team we've built. We have a team of very dedicated people who are here to help our patients achieve their best life possible.
Hi, I'm Hannah Rutherford, VP of Renew Health and Wellness. Here at Renew, we pride ourselves on having quality care across all our locations. We provide medically monitored weight loss programs. We get you back to optimal levels with your hormones, and we address intimate wellness as well. We help you tailor a treatment plan that serves and gets you to where you need to be with the best and highest quality of care that you could receive.
Hello, I'm Trish Banks, and I'm the Patient Care Coordinator at Renew Health and Wellness. So the best thing about my job as Patient Care Coordinator is being able to observe the transformation that I see in both men and women. They'll come in, they'll be defeated, tired, stressed. Many times their relationships are in jeopardy because they're not themselves and they're not in a romantic mood and they're not feeling good. So once their hormones are restored and their weight is coming down and they're feeling better about themselves, it's transformational in their personal lives. The ability to watch that transformation and see someone who comes in and they're defeated turn into somebody who comes in and says, thank you. Thank you so much. I can't believe how great I feel.
Hi, my name is Tanya Coleman. I'm a board-certified nurse practitioner. I am the clinical manager here at Renew Health and Wellness. At Renew, we're very passionate about what we do. We are thorough with what we do, and we follow through all the way, making sure that our patients receive the most optimized, individualized, therapeutic wellness and health. If you're looking to feel and look your very best, this is where you want to be. We provide thorough consultation. We are there with our patients every step of the way, and it speaks volume because our patients look and feel their best.